welcome to Compound Your Asset, where we will be sharing our insights and views on the opportunities coming in the equity market, where we will be focused on swing trading opportunities. So we will be sharing our thoughts every week and we'll be providing the status on all the views shared on our previous videos. So make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell icon. And follow us on Instagram to learn more. So the first one on my radar is Gujarat Gas. This is in 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, this stock was falling and now forming a bottom. I'm not sure how many of you uses the fixed range volume tool, but this is the best tool you can use to identify at what price range the most active participation of buyers and sellers are happening. And as you can see, the most volume is now happening in the bottom. This can be a reversal signal, because once the price moves above this range, the people who have short positions will be trapped, and they slowly cut their positions, and which will help in some upward momentum. So now we have got a breakout in 1 hour time frame, and is now giving some retest and small consolidation. So now if we get a 1 hour green candle closing above the range, we can expect some upward move. If we are entering in this setup, we will have to make sure we have a predefined stop loss, and we can target to the recent resistance level. The next one is Lupin. So in order to understand the story, we will zoom out to a bigger time frame first. You can see this stock was falling from June 2021, and it formed a base. If we check the fixed range volume from the beginning of the fall to the bottom before the rally, you can see the most active participation happened at the bottom. And once price closed above that range, it rallied with good momentum. Now let's check it from the recent bottom to the top. See, now we have the highest activity at the top, which means if we get a higher high closing above the range, we can expect some upward move. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame. As you can see, for the past couple of months was in a channel with contraction after the rally from bottom. So here in this channel, there will be sellers and buyers. Now we have got a breakout, and that too with good momentum. See that back-to-back green bullish candles. So now, if we get a retest on the range from where we get a breakout or a retracement or some consolidation in that zone, and a higher high candle closing above the range will give some upward move. And we should make sure we have a defined stop loss as well. Next one is Tata Chemicals. This stock has been falling continuously and is moving sideways, making a bottom. If we check the fixed range volume, we can see the most participants are active in this range. If there is a breakout happening from this range, we can expect some up move. Once there is a candle closing above this range in 1 hour time frame, wait for some small consolidation or retracements. And after a higher high is made, we can go for a long entry with defined stop loss. Next one is Hindustan Unilever. This is also similar to the previous one. Stock has been falling and now formed a bottom with nice participation happening in that range. And once we see a breakout from this range, after a small consolidation or retracements on a higher high, there will be a long entry opportunity. One thing to keep in mind is to have a defined stop loss for the setup. Next one is MGL. Similar setup, but in this case, we've already got a breakout. Now it's giving a retracement. Once there is a candle closing above the previous range, there is opportunity for long entry. But here the previous resistance is near, so it will be better to book partial profits at the above resistance level and trail rest of the quantity. And now I'll show some of my previous trades. This is HAL. I traded on this stock last week. There was a major resistance breakout, and after the breakout, I waited for some consolidation. And once I got a candle closing above the previous range, I entered on long side, and I closed my position with 1:2 risk-reward ratio. And next is PFC. This position is currently running. There was a major resistance which got breakout, and the momentum was also good. Once after a consolidation, I entered the trade, and right now it's at 1:1 risk-reward. I've trailed my stop loss to break even, since my target is 1:2. SBI Life is also in my current position. There was a long-term breakout in this stock, and after the breakout, I waited for consolidation and entered in candle closing above the range. But it's moving against my direction right now. But since I have a defined stop loss and risk management, even if it hits stop loss, my portfolio will be fine. But in this case, I have a support below, so we'll wait and see. So that's it, guys. Here is the 5 stocks that you can keep in your radar for swing trading opportunities for next week. I'll be updating the status of the shares and my current positions on my next video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.